I'm Ya-Chien Feng. I'm an earth scientist at Pacific Northwest National Lab. I work in convection storms like thunderstorms and heavy rainfall events. I want to know where, when the storm forms, and how strong it will be, to grow or to decay. What are the key physical processes to control the life cycle of storms and the intensity of the rainfall? So I use weather radars to observe key storm ingredients, such as water vapor, wind, and rainfall, and how they interact with each other. Forecasting the initiation and the intensity of the storms remains challenging. I hope my research could advance our understanding of the storm physics and to improve forecasts for people.